Okay, so this is just a short video. I just wanted to show you how I deal with my calyxes, how I take the pit out. I usually will make a little cut here, and then I use this little tube. It's a hollowed out tube, and I just basically twist it until the pit is out. See, you're left with the skin. This is what you use to make your tea, your drink. The drink a lot of Jamaicans like sorrel. Now you can use this fresh to make your tea or your sorrel, and you can also dry it out. You can dehydrate these to save it for future use. The pit, there's seeds in it. There's actually white seeds in it. The seeds, I don't think they're viable at this stage. I haven't tried to grow them at this stage. It's usually best to leave this on the tree, leave the flower, let it dry. This will bust open, and then the seeds will get black, and then they'll be ready to grow. All right. So once again, let me show you another one. Now I make the little slit because I find that it's easier when I slit it. The pit comes out a little easier. Now just heads up, this is messy. Your hands will get red. This gives off a lot of red pigmentation. Okay, so there you go. Skin off, pit off, and that's it. That was just a quick little video of how I harvest, well, not harvest, but how I de-pit my calyxes. Okay, hope you enjoy. Have yourself a good day.